Not every tool is made to lead. Some whisper progress, then crash your dreams. In the race for AI, speed kills the unprepared. So pause. Choose wisely.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Welcome.
AI agents are doing amazing things. They can automate tasks, they save time, they boost businesses. It sounds like magic, right?
Yes!
But wait, there's a catch. Choosing the wrong AI agent can be a disaster. It can waste your money. It can cause huge headaches. It might even put your data at risk. Scary stuff.
Yeah.
How do you pick the right AI agent? How do you avoid those costly mistakes? That's exactly what we're talking about today. I'm going to break down 10 critical mistakes. Mistakes people make all the time when picking AI agents. This will save you time, money, and stress. Let's dive in.
Hey, let's go!
Mistake number 1, no clear goal. This is a big one. You see a cool AI agent. You think, I need that, but you haven't asked, what problem will it solve? What specific task should it do? Why is this bad? You might buy something too powerful, a waste of money. Or you buy something too weak, it won't help you. You can't measure success without a goal. It's like driving without a destination. You'll get lost. How to avoid this? Simple. First, identify your pain point. What takes too much time? What's inefficient? Second, define the exact task. Be specific, not just improve sales. Maybe qualify new leads automatically. Third, set measurable goals, like reduce response time by 30%. Know your target before you shop for the tool. Mistake number 2, ignoring integration. Your business probably uses lots of software. Your CRM, email, project tools, databases. Your AI agent needs to talk to these tools. Why is this critical? AI agents often need data from other systems. They need to send information back too. If your AI agent can't connect, it's stuck. It becomes an isolated island. No automation happens. You might end up moving data manually. That defeats the purpose. How to avoid this? Look at your current software. What needs to connect? Ask the AI vendor. Does it have APIs? These are like connection points. Check for ready-made connections. Does it link easily with Salesforce, or Slack, or Google? Make sure it plays nice with your existing tech. Talk to your IT team. Mistake number 3, forgetting about growth, or scalability. You choose an AI agent. It works great today. But what about next year, or the year after? Your business might grow. You'll have more data, more users, more tasks. Why is this a problem? An agent that can't scale becomes slow. It gets overloaded. It might become super expensive to handle more work. You might have to replace it completely. That's a huge pain.
No!
How to avoid this? Think about the future. How much might your usage grow? Ask the vendor. How does this agent scale? Is it cloud-based? Understand the pricing. How much does it cost when you use it more? Look for proof. Can it handle bigger loads? Ask for examples. Choose an agent that can grow with you. Mistake number 4, skipping security and data privacy checks. This is huge. Don't mess this up.
Okay.
AI agents often handle sensitive information, customer details, financial data, your secret business plans. Why is this so critical? A security breach is a nightmare. Data could be stolen. You could face massive fines. Think GDPR, CCPA. Your company's reputation could be ruined. Customers will leave. Never assume an AI vendor is automatically secure. How to avoid this? Ask tough questions about security. How is data protected? Encryption, access controls. Look for certifications like SOC 2 or ISO 27001. Read their privacy policy. Where is your data stored? Who owns it? Check compliance. Does it meet rules like GDPR or HEPA? Get your legal team involved. Safety first. Mistake number 5, underestimating the total cost. You see the price tag, the monthly fee. It looks okay, But that's often just the start. There are hidden costs. Why is this a mistake? Hidden costs blow up your budget. Think about setup fees, customization costs, integration work. Training your team costs money. Ongoing support might cost extra. Scaling up can add significant costs later. The real cost, the total cost of ownership, TCO, can be much higher. How to avoid this? Ask for a full price breakdown. No surprises. Factor in setup and integration time. Will you need expert help? Budget for training your employees. Understand support costs. What's included? What's extra? Estimate future costs based on growth. Know the real TCO before you commit. Mistake number 6. Falling for the hype. Believing slick marketing. The AI world is full of buzzwords. Revolutionary, game-changing. Vendors show amazing demos. Everything looks perfect. Why is this dangerous? Marketing can overpromise. The reality might be different. A cool demo doesn't mean it works well for your needs. You might choose based on flash, not real function. You end up with a tool that looks good but doesn't deliver. How to avoid this? Ask for demos using your type of tasks, not just generic ones. Request a free trial or a small pilot project, proof of concept. Test it yourself, with your own data if possible. Look for real customer stories, case studies, talk to references, read independent reviews online, but be critical.
Think.
Focus on what it actually does for you, not just fancy words. Mistake number 7, making the decision alone. Maybe just the boss picks the tool, or just the IT department. They don't talk to the people who will use it every day. They don't talk to security or legal teams early on. Why is this bad? The actual users might hate the tool. If it's hard to use, they won't adopt it. IT might spot integration problems you missed. Security or legal might see risks. A tool chosen in secret often fails. Teamwork makes the dream work. How to avoid this? Create a small team. Include users, IT, security, maybe legal. Ask everyone what they need. What are their concerns? Let users try the tool during tests or trials. Get their feedback. Keep everyone informed along the way. Mistake number 8, skipping real testing. A pilot program. You saw the demo. You read the case study. It looks great, so you decide to roll it out everywhere. Big mistake. Why? A demo environment is perfect. Your real world is messy.
You bet. Real messy.
Your data might be different. Your workflows are unique. The agent might not work as well in your actual setup. You only find problems after you've spent lots of time and money. Fixing it then is hard. How to avoid this? Always try to do a pilot test. A small-scale trial. Use your real data. Safely, of course. Have your actual users test it. Get their honest opinions. Test the key functions you need. Test the integrations. Measure its performance. Does it meet the goals you set earlier? Test, test, test before you go big. Mistake number 9, ignoring vendor support and their future plans. You look only at the features today. You don't think about, what happens when I need help? What happens next year? Will the tool get better? Why does this matter? AI changes fast. A great tool today might be old news tomorrow. You need good support when things go wrong. Quick help is vital. You want a vendor who updates their product, adds new features, fixes bugs. A vendor without a future plan might disappear, leaving you stuck. How to avoid this? Check their support options: phone, email, chat. How fast do they respond? Ask how often they update the agent. Ask about their future plans. What's coming next? Their roadmap. Is the vendor stable? Are they likely to stick around? Look for reviews about their customer support. And finally, mistake number 10, having unrealistic expectations. Thinking the AI agent is a magic wand. Believing it will solve everything instantly, with no effort. Expecting it to work perfectly, 100% automated from day one. Why is this a problem? You'll be disappointed. Guaranteed. AI is powerful, but it has limits. It needs setup, It needs good data. It often needs human oversight, especially at the beginning. Expecting miracles leads to frustration. You might give up too soon. How to avoid this? Learn about what AI can really do and what it can't. Start small. Focus on one clear goal first. Don't try to boil the ocean. Plan for humans to be involved. AI often helps people, not replaces them entirely. Be patient. AI implementation takes time. It needs tuning and learning. Focus on gradual improvement, not instant magic. Okay, that was a lot. Let's quickly recap. Picking the right AI agent is super important. Avoid these mistakes. No clear goals, ignoring integration, forgetting scale, skipping security, underestimating costs, believing hype, not involving your team, skipping testing, ignoring support, and unrealistic expectations. AI agents are incredibly powerful tools, truly. They can transform how you work or run your business, but you need to choose wisely. Be smart about it. Don't rush the decision. Do your homework. Ask the right questions. Test things out. Involve your people. Think about your own situation right now. Are you thinking about using an AI agent? Use these points as your checklist. Take a structured approach. Define your needs first. Choose an agent that truly fits, one that's secure, scalable, and supported. If you do that, you're setting yourself up for success. You can unlock amazing potential. That's it for today's deep dive. I hope this helps you navigate the exciting world of AI agents. Make smart choices. Avoid those common pitfalls. What are your biggest questions about AI agents? Have you made any of these mistakes or avoided them successfully? Let me know in the comments below. I read them all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more simple guides on AI and tech. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You won't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.